everyone, welcome back to Taurus Wealth. Today is Which One Wednesdays, and on Which One Wednesdays I will be stuffing one of our binders with $1. And so today we will be stuffing the investment binder. And let's see what's all in this one. Okay, my new dashboard, you guys. Okay, so we're starting with the trading account. Like currently we have $25 in there, so we will be adding $1 today. And typically how I do this is I rotate my binders. No particular order, I just rotate them, and when it's their turn to get whatever amount that I'm stuffing for that day, that's what they get. I don't pick and choose which binders, just rotate them. And each cash envelope receives the same amount. So even though this one says trading account and this one says my daughter's college fund, they all will receive the same amount. Okay, emergency fund. And I do currently have money for emergency fund, my daughter's college fund, and my trading account that I have already in rotation in my monthly regular bills, but this is extra income that's left over after I pay everything that I'm just restuffing and, just trying to get ahead. New home. And so I'm just going to keep stuffing these until, who knows, maybe just to the end of the year at least, just to see how much. And then, see how much I am quarterly or at the half year mark around July, see how much I was able to stuff. Because I don't have to pull this money out monthly to pay anything. I'm already paying it. Because typically with this extra money, I was finding myself when I would look at my account history, when I would leave it in my bank account, I was just spending it shopping on just anything, just buying things, things, I may have needed or just unnecessary things as well. But I was like, let me start cash stuffing and see how much I really can save. And so appliances is a new one, so it only has $5 in there, so now it has $6. So that's why it doesn't have the same amount as these other ones. New car is also a new one. So we add $1 here. So that's also $6. So that'll be the only time you will see if a cash envelope is in a binder and it has less if I started it later on after I had already started the binder. So I have those two have 6. This one will now have 26. So I don't know. I might throw those 2 cash envelopes that do not have 26 in them. They're like missing a 20. I might throw them on a make it happen Monday and throw a 20 in those to get them caught up. I just may. Not gonna say I will yet, but it's a thought to get it all even. But that is the end of Which One Wednesdays for $1 cash stuffing. And please like, subscribe, and comment. And